Hello traders, let's discuss very popular topic, how to correctly withdraw your funds to the wallet or another exchange with no risk to lose your money. Watch till the end to see what aspects we should pay attention to not to lose your money. And please write in the comments below what exchanges do you use and why. Now let's start. First of all, we should decide what kind of wallet we want to send the funds. For example, it could be MetaMask. We go to Exchange. In this tab, Wallet, we choose Fiat and Spot. In the USDT section, we choose Withdraw. Here we need two main elements, and it's extremely important. The destination address, our wallet address, and the network. The network is the environment where a certain crypto asset is being circulated. For sending USDT, most people usually use TRC20. We use this network usually when we send from one exchange to another exchange. Each network implies different transaction fees, but anyway, it's usually very low. Where to find these two parameters? We open MetaMask. You can use mobile version or desktop one. Here we have our account, our address, and we choose a network. So we can send USDT through a BNB smart chain to our address. We copy it. Here we see that the network is smart chain. Here we enter the address and we select the network. For example, we would like to send $6. 5.7 we will receive. Please confirm that your withdrawal address for the BNB smart chain network. I warn you to always correctly check the address and the right network. In most cases, if you made a mistake, the system tells you that the address is incorrect, but in some cases you can lose your money. Then we pass the security verification requirements. It's in the process of confirmation. Now we got our funds transferred to our wallet. Now let's see how to send funds to another exchange. We go to the exchange where we want to transfer our funds. For example, Bybit. We go to Assets, Deposit. Here we select the coin to deposit. We can select BTC, Ethereum, or let's say USDT. We select the chain type. All the types of the chain are available here. We select TRC20, acknowledge. We get the QR code and finally the address itself. We copy it. Then we again go to Fiat and Spot. Here we select USDT, withdraw. We enter this address. Then we select TRC. We stipulate the sum here. Let's say $10. We go through the security verification requirements as well. That's okay. We got plus $10. We go to history. And we see that $9 were deposited to our account. Be aware that after some time the exchange can change your address. You will be notified, but I recommend you to copy address by the principle shown in this video. Thank you for your attention. If you have some questions, you are welcome to ask them in comments. See you soon.